Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today we're going to be doing a Mortadella Croque Madam Sandwich. We're using a lot of poetic license on this one, believe it or not, but this is really tasty. Right, two hard-boiled eggs. Don't know how to boil an egg. Can't really save you there. Water, salt, I'll use a bit of vinegar, 3 minutes, peel the eggs. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to start making up like an egg salad type deal. I'm going to add in about 3 tablespoons worth of dried chives. I'm just going to put that into my food processor, and we're basically just going to give that a little bit of a blitzy blitz, make them a little bit finer. These particular dried chives are a little bit on the thick side. I'm going to add in a tablespoon's worth of Dijon mustard, straight in just like that. Okay, and once I've peeled my eggs and I'm pretty happy with those, I'm basically just going to put those straight into the food processor. I'm going to try and cut them in half. These were a very soft boiled egg, and look, they just basically fell apart anyway. So get all that yolk and all that white in there, and if you don't like a runny yolk, look, cook the eggs longer if you wish. Alright, I'm going to add in about 2 tablespoons worth of garlic aioli, just store-bought, and it's going to give us a nice creamy garlicky type flavour. And all I'm simply going to do is just pulse that mixture all together, and we're going to end up with like an egg salad type filling. Okay, it should look something like that. If you don't have a food processor, just use the fork and just mash it all up with a fork. Alright, we've got bread laid out, and we need 4 slices of bread per sandwich, and I'm going to butter all of these, and that butter side is going to be on the outside of our sandwich. That's why I've got that little bit of kitchen paper down. Now I'm going to add some mustard. I like hot English, and I'm simply just going to put a nice slathering of that hot English mustard. You use the mustard of your choice, right? If you like a particular mustard, go with that. Mrs. KP, she likes American mustard, so we're just going to put American mustard on hers. Alright, one's hot, one's sweet. Alright, on the other slice of bread, we are going to add some of our egg mixture. Alright, just pretty simple sort of stuff. Now, this video has lots and lots of faults in it, and believe it or not, it was like a 42-degree day. I did not feel like making a salad or anything like that. It was basically just a case of, look, let's just make up some sandwiches in the sandwich press. So I'm going to add in my mortadella, 2 slices each of each one, and as you can see there, I did have a little bit of a hiccup with the filming and editing. I'm going to add in some cheese. Just like that, and it doesn't matter where you put the mustard, where you put the mortadella, just do it your way. I'm just showing you what we did on like a 42-degree day. Okay, and simply just going to put our bread down, butter side up. I've got a few slices of lettuce. I'm going to use a little bit of Caesar dressing on that, and just give that a little bit of a dressing stir all the way around. And the lettuce is just going to add a nice little freshness to our particular sandwich. Right, the sandwich press is out, and simply all I'm going to do now is just lay out all 4 of our sandwiches. Now, if you've got hot English mustard and American mustard, make sure you deviate and nominate what part of the sandwich press each one is going on. Right, we're simply just going to put them on the sandwich press, let the sandwich press do its thing. We want a nice bit of toastage, we want that cheese to melt, we want the mortadella to warm up, as long as well the egg. Okay, as you can see, we've got a little bit of colour starting to happen. Give that another couple of minutes. Time to start assembling our sandwich. So I'm going to get out the first one. I can't remember if this is hot English or American. When we cut it open and bite into it, we're going to find out. A little bit of our Caesar lettuce on top, just like that, and that's going to add a real burst of freshness to our sandwich. Now, you can do this for lunch, you can do this for a light dinner. yeah, I'll leave that up to you. A couple of slices of some freshly cut tomato, and all we have to simply do now is put our top on. Now I'll leave a link, or I'll leave at the end of the video all the ingredients used, and there you go, you've got KP's Mortadella Croque Madam Sandwich. How easy was that? Love to see you try and make this one at home. Really easy, really simple. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. Hit that like button. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Please leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them. In the meantime, if you want to learn something just inspired by another type of dish and make it your own like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to eat my Mortadella Croque Madam sandwich thing, and I will catch you next time. Bye.